while the world is practicing social distancing at home, now you can take this time to tackle some of those home improvement projects that you've been waiting to do. Here with tips is home contractor Skip Bedell. Skip, good morning to you. You know, America's basements and garages have never been cleaner, but you're at your house right now with some ideas on how to do stuff with things that can get shipped to your house.
Yeah, so we're doing stuff that makes the job of cleaning easier, and this is what we do around our house, so one of the main things that you really want to focus on is the floor, because everything obviously falls down to the floor just from gravity alone. So mopping dirty water around, the whole mop thing has been out for the longest time. We've been using these Hoover FloorMate hard floor cleaners forever, for like 20 years. They're corded, they work great, but right now all the newest stuff that I've just now recently been using is unbelievable. This is the new Hoover FloorMate with a 1-power battery. It's all battery operated, Steve. So the best part about these machines, they have a cleaning solution in the back. It sucks up the dirty water in the front, and you never touch the mop. You never touch the dirty water. So you clean it and you vacuum up all the dirty water right into the tank. You're never using a mop. And the best thing is that you have a battery. This 1-power battery operates all the tools in the 1-power line. So it's a really cool way to clean. You have everything that you need to get the floors clean, the vacuums, and it's all on battery operated stuff. After I get the floor set up, I like to use the Rejuvenate products. This stuff right here is amazing. By the way, these floors you're looking at, Steve, these are from 1945. These are the original floors in this house. Whoa. And I use this product right here to keep it restored. This just seals it, it hides all the scratches, and it has like a urethane finish to kind of reseal all the floors back to their original shine. So this stuff is great. All the Rejuvenate products are awesome to keep everything looking nice. If you look around our house, I'm going to take you for a little walkthrough. You'll see there's a lot of woodwork in here, and that stuff just keeps all the woodwork looking good. I'm going to take you into the kitchen right now, so come on in, guys.
You have a beautiful house. Wow.
Oh, thanks, Steve. It's been a lot of work, man. One room at a time, 1945 redo. So we do a lot of cooking here, as you can tell. I like to eat, and keeping the stove clean is always so hard because, you get sauce and cheese, and every time you cook, it's like more work to clean than it is to actually do the cooking. So this is an amazing thing. I don't know why I didn't think of this, Steve. This is StoveGuard.com. So this is basically a sheet, the Teflon-covered sheet. You send into StoveGuard.com the make and model number of your stove. They send you back these Teflon-coated sheets, non-stick sheets that go right over your stove. Everything falls onto it. You take this, you put it right in the dishwasher. You can wash it off, you put it right back on, and it's so easy. You never have to clean down the stove. It's super easy. If you go to the StoveGuard.com website, you put in the make and model number of your stove, they'll send you custom-made sheets. You put it right on there, and it cuts the cleaning time like down to a fraction. Unbelievable stuff. That makes it easy for the cooking and the cleaning. And then, like cleaning all the bathrooms and tile and grout and all the other hard-to-find places. I love this stuff. This is drill brush. So I'm a power tool guy, Steve, right? So anytime I can clean with a tool, this is it. Any ordinary drill, you take the drill brush, you stick it on, and it allows you to get into places that you could never get to before. They're really hard to find, tough places. So they have different brushes, all different shapes, tile, grout lines, everything you can think of for cleaning. The drill brush makes it easier.
Skip.
And
you know what? We're just about out of time. I know people want more information about all this stuff. They can go to skipbedell.com. You love the Zep cleaner right there because it is something that can help you keep everything nice and clean. And the good news is all this stuff, you can order it from your home and they will deliver it to your home. More information at skipbedell.com. Skip, once again, you got a beautiful house. I love that.